Welcome to our US Citizenship Interview. The officer asked a lot of questions about the applicant's personal information and word definitions. This is a good practice to help you get well prepared for your US Citizenship Test.
Mrs. Marcela Calderon.
Good morning, it's me.
Hello, I'm Ray. I'll be conducting your interview today. Can I have the appointment notice?
Here you go.
Thank you. Can you follow me, please?
Yes, sure.
Please put all your belongings on the floor and have a seat, please.
Thank you.
The first thing I'm going to do is collecting your fingerprints and taking your picture. Please place your left index finger on the scanner for me. And now, please switch to your right index finger. Awesome. I want to take your picture right now, so can you look at the camera in front of you? Everything is perfect. How are you today?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you. Do you feel well prepared today?
Yes, I've learned very hard every day. I feel prepared for the test, but I still feel nervous.
You will be fine. Before we continue on, I need to place you under oath. You need to promise to tell the truth during the interview. So please stand up and raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Please take a seat.
Thank you.
Are you ready for the civics test now?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great. If both the president and the vice president can no longer serve, who becomes president?
The Speaker of the House.
What is the highest court in the United States?
The Supreme Court.
We elect a U.S. Senator for how many years?
4.
That's not correct. The correct answer is 6. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence?
Thomas Jefferson.
What territory did the United States buy from France in 1803?
Louisiana.
Before he was president, Eisenhower was a general. What war was he in?
World War II.
Why does the flag have 13 stripes?
Because there were 13 original colonies.
Awesome. You got 6 answers correctly. You passed the civics test. We continue on to the reading and writing test. I want you to read a sentence on the tablet. Please look at the tablet and read the sentence out loud.
What country is to the north of the United States?
Can you use the stylus pen?
Yes, I can.
Great. Please write the sentence on the tablet that I'm reading to you right now. Canada is north of the United States. Perfect. Can you show me your ID, your green card, and your passport?
Yes, sure. Here you go.
What is your full name?
My full name is Marcela Calderon.
Can you spell your last name?
Yes. Calderon.
What other names have you had?
I have a nickname, Marcy.
Do you want to change your name?
Yes, I want to change my name to Emily Calderon. Can you update my application for me?
Yes, I'm updating it right now. What's your date of birth?
September 12, 1977.
What is your country of birth?
I was born in El Salvador.
Are you an El Salvador citizen?
Yes, I am.
How long have you been a permanent resident?
I have been a permanent resident for 8 years.
When did you get your green card?
I got my green card on August 3rd, 2015.
What is your phone number?
213-847-9125.
What is your current address?
My current address is 1710 North Fuller Avenue, Los Angeles, California, 90046.
Do you own this house?
No, I'm renting.
What is your mailing address?
The mailing address is the same as the current address.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 4 years.
You moved to this address on December 6th, 2019?
Yes.
Where did you live before?
11 Bentley Avenue, Sacramento, California, 95823.
Have you lived at this address since you came to the U.S.?
Yes, I've lived at this address since I came here.
What job do you have right now?
I am a quality inspector. I work at Precision Cast Parts Corporation.
How long have you worked at Precision Cast Parts?
I've worked there for 4 years.
So you began working there on December 18th, 2019?
Yes, that's correct.
What did you do before?
I was an Uber taxi driver.
How long have you had that job?
I had that job for 4 years.
Was that job full-time or part-time?
It was full-time.
Have you worked anywhere else in the last 5 years?
No, officer, that's it.
What is your marital status right now?
I'm married.
You have been married one time, correct?
No, I have been married 2 times.
When did you get divorced?
I got divorced on June 24, 2010.
What is your previous spouse's name?
His name is Giovanni Selasco.
Do you have any children from the previous marriage?
Yes, I have a son from my previous marriage.
What is your son's name?
My son's name is Alvaro Selasco.
What is his date of birth?
His date of birth is September 8, 2007.
Does your son live with you now?
Yes, he lives with me now.
Do you have the divorce decree with you now?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. When did you get married with your current spouse?
I got married with my current husband on April 21, 2013.
How many times has your spouse been married?
He has been married 2 times.
What is your current spouse's legal name?
His legal name is Carlos Sandoval.
Is his birthday December 13th, 1975?
Yes, correct.
What is your spouse's occupation?
He is a truck driver.
Where does he work?
He works for Penske.
Does your spouse have any previous children?
Yes, he has a son from his previous marriage.
What is your spouse's country of origin?
He's from El Salvador.
What is your spouse's immigration status?
He is a permanent resident.
Do you and your current spouse have any children?
Yes, we have a daughter together.
What is your daughter's full name?
Carla Sandoval.
How old is she?
She is 9 years old.
Was she born in the U.S.?
No, she was born in El Salvador.
All right. Have you taken any trips outside the U.S. in the last 5 years?
Yes, I've taken 1 trip outside the US in 2019.
How long was that trip?
That trip was 14 days.
Did you leave the U.S. on August 1st, 2019, and return on August 13th, 2019?
Yes, that's correct.
Where did you go?
I went to El Salvador.
Why did you take that trip?
I just went on vacation with my family.
Have you taken any trips outside the U.S. after you filed your citizenship application?
No, officer.
Okay, sounds good. Have you ever registered to vote in any federal, state, or local election in the United States?
No, never.
Have you ever filed a federal, state, or local tax return since you became a lawful permanent resident?
Yes, I filed tax return every year since I got my green card.
What does it mean to file a tax return?
To send tax paperwork to the government.
Do you pay taxes on time every year?
Yes, I do.
Have you ever voted in any federal, state, or local election in the United States?
No.
Have you called yourself a non-U.S. resident on any tax paperwork since you got your green card?
No.
Were you ever involved in killing or trying to kill someone?
No.
Do you know what kill means?
To cause the death of a person.
Have you ever persecuted, either directly or indirectly, any person because of race, religion, national origin, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion?
No.
Can you define persecute?
To hurt someone badly.
Were you ever involved in not letting someone practice his or her religion?
No.
Were you ever a member of, or did you ever serve in, help, or otherwise participate in self-defense unit?
No.
Did you ever use any person under 15 years of age to do anything that helped or supported people in combat?
No.
Can you explain what combat means?
To fight in war.
Good. Have you ever been in jail or prison?
No.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense?
No.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by any law enforcement officer, including any immigration official or any official of the U.S. Armed Forces, for any reason?
No.
Have you ever been a member of, or in any way associated, either directly or indirectly, with the Communist Party?
No.
Have you ever been a prostitute, or procured anyone for prostitution?
No.
Can you explain what prostitute is?
Someone who has sex for money.
Have you ever failed to support your dependents or to pay alimony?
No.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government officials to gain entry or admission into the United States, or to gain immigration benefits while in the United States?
No.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes, I do.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes.
What does non-combatant mean?
A person who is not involved in combat.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
Have you ever been ordered removed, excluded, or deported from the United States?
No.
Have you ever given any U.S. government officials any information or documentation that was false, fraudulent, or misleading?
No.
Do you understand what false means?
Yes, it means not true.
Okay, if the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
Have you ever married someone in order to obtain an immigration benefit?
No.
Do you know how to define immigration benefits?
Yes, things like a visa, green card, or citizenship.
Have you ever received a suspended sentence, been placed on probation, or been paroled?
No.
Have you ever been charged with committing, attempting to commit, or assisting in committing a crime or offense?
No.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes.
Awesome. I would like you to review the updated application. Verify if all the information is correct, and then please sign at the last page. Please also review the full oath of allegiance and make sure if your full name is correct, and sign at the same page for me. Thank you. You passed the interview. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, officer.
No problem. We will send you a schedule for the oath ceremony. You may receive a notice from USCIS within a month. Make sure you attend to the oath ceremony on the date and time as scheduled. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't. Thank you.
All right. Congratulations again.
Thank you.